Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of Epic Books. Epic is a really great resource that we're going to use to help have students have access to online books and also to have access to books on their level. So when you log in, at the top here there is a mailbox. And the mailbox will have books that are specifically assigned to your child. So and if you click on it, these are the specific books that were assigned based on their reading level. Now, if you find that the books are too hard or too easy, please let me know, and then I'll switch up what we're assigning to them. Some students have books in multiple levels. Please don't feel like you absolutely need to read all of them. Do the ones that are of interest to your child. Some of them also have this read to me function. And so as you go through the book, it doesn't have to be read to them, and I would suggest, if it's at their reading level, that they take a try at reading it on their own. But there is the reading function as well.
I see an ant.
So they may even want to go through it a first time that way if they're struggling, to kind of just help them understand the words. But ultimately, books at their level, I'd like them to be reading as independently as possible, even after a first try of you reading it with them or them playing the recording. So yeah, there's that. So then, and they get little rewards, online rewards. And then as well, like if you want to go on and explore titles as well. So we have certain ones that are assigned for the week, and certain ones that are assigned based on their reading level. So the ones that are assigned for the week, that go along with whatever theme we're doing, are not level specific. They're more content specific for them. If you can please read those through with them. It's totally fine if you're reading those books to them if they're too hard. Many of them will be, but the books that are on their level, if they could read them on their own, that would be great. Okay, so anyway, that's just a brief intro to Epic, and hopefully you're all logged in. And again, if anything at the leveled books is too hard or too easy, please let us know, and then we will adjust that for you.